That is amazing. I can't believe I just did that. That's so... Mix it up.
It might take a little while.
Just mix it up, will ya?
I'm solving it right now too.
Hurry up. Are you done yet? What's up, everybody? This is the Rubik's Cube Challenge, Paramotor style. Alrighty, we got it all back. It is pretty messed up, so put this in the flight deck, launch, get up there. Most people take like under 3 minutes, like the speed cubers do it in like 30 seconds and stuff. A cuber with a bad cube like mine that's any sort of good can do it in like 3 minutes. We're at 1,100 feet. 1,100 feet. All this smoke you're seeing is from the Rock Creek fire, burning along Craig, Montana, kind of near Holter Lake along the Missouri River there. That's a very popular fishing destination for fly fishermen. People come from all over the world to trout fish that area. And that fire is what you're seeing this smoke from. That's about, I don't know, a 35, 40-minute drive from here, probably, maybe a little longer. All right, everybody, we're sitting at 3,500 feet right now. Thinking about going into a glide and seeing if we can try to solve this Rubik's Cube before we get down. All right, GoPro. Oh, wait, I need that. Woo-hoo! Yeah! Woo! Rubik's Cube Challenge complete! All right, let's head back. Objective complete. That is amazing. I can't believe I just did that. That's so cool. Yes, yes. Oh my God. That was so cool, guys. We did it. We solved the Rubik's Cube at between 1,500 and 3,500 feet. You can have that back. Oh.